Converting your old 8mm film to widescreen is easy. I'll show you how coming up. Eight mm and Super 8 film have a 4:3 aspect ratio. Most modern TVs have a 16:9 aspect ratio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert from 4:3 to 16:9 using a Wolverine scanner and editing software. The first thing you need to do is go into the menu on your Wolverine scanner and go into Frame Adjust. I start with the W adjustment. I zoom out until I see the edge of the frame and the sprocket hole. The X adjustment will move the picture left and right. I go back to the W adjustment and zoom it in until the far left is just to the left of the sprocket and the far right is at the edge of the film. I then go into the Y adjustment and adjust the frame till it's centered. Now on the top, you might see the very edge of the previous frame, and on the bottom you may see the very edge of the next frame. This is okay, we're going to crop it out later. At this point you want to scan your entire film reel. Once your film is scanned, you need to load it into your editing software. I'm using PowerDirector 15, but you can use any software that lets you choose between 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. Once your footage is loaded, you want to widen out the window till you have widescreen. You may want to crop different scenes differently, so I'm going to use scene detection to separate out my various scenes. Now that my scenes have been split up, I'm going to watch my video and either tilt up or tilt down if I see any heads chopped off or similar issues. You can also split scenes manually by going frame by frame and splitting the clip. On scenes that are moving, you might want to use keyframes to adjust as you go. At this point, I've adjusted the framing on all of my clips, so I'm going to go ahead and produce a video from this. This is a working copy. My original video was 720 by 960. But the height is now going to be different with the different aspect ratio. So I need to figure out the pixel height of my frame. My new pixel height is going to be 540, which is slightly higher than 480 found on SD. My software does not offer 960 by 540 as an option, so I'm going to double those pixel counts and produce a video that is 1080 by 1920 and up convert. One issue with the Wolverine scanner is that it scans at 30 frames per second. My mother's camera shot at 18 frames per second, so when you watch the video back, it's going a little too fast. So at this point, I'm going to take my produced video and speed adjust it. A speed adjustment of 0.6 will make this look right. If you enjoyed this video or any others in the ThriftyAV series, please like and subscribe. And thank you to my patrons for supporting ThriftyAV. Stay thrifty, everyone.